الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. Zayd ibn Sabit radiallahu ta'ala an does not consider the sister as a sharer if she is with the grandfather. He considers a sister as a residue, but only in one case called as al-Aqdariya, as it was a case of a woman from Banu Aqdar. Also, kadurat mean confusion. So this case confused Zayd ibn Sabit radiallahu ta'ala in his opinion. Now that case is that a woman, Zainab, passed away and she left behind her husband, mother, grandfather, and a sister. So here, husband takes a half, the mother takes 1/3. And the grandfather and the sister, the grandfather will take 1/6 and the sister will take half as well. Yes? This is the actual case. So now, the common denominator will be 6. So now the husband will take half, which is 3. The mother will take
2.
1/3, which is 2. The grandfather will take 1/6, and the sister will take
1/2.
half, which is 3. Got it?
Yes.
So actually, there is a owl in the case. It went from 6 share to 9. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 3, 9. Got it?
Got it.
So now, here, 1 plus 3 is equal to
4.
4. The share of the grandfather and the sisters is gathered, and that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now, it would be distributed to them both as 2 to 1. 2
to 1.
Because the grandfather is just like brother, and the sister is sister. So brother is equal to 2 sisters. So these 4 would be distributed like 2
to 1.
1. But there will be fraction. So that's why this 2 is 1 is 3. Got it? So we will multiply this 9. Got it?
Got it.
Now, and here, these are 4. So,
12.
how much?
12.
12. So now, brother and sister. So this 12.
8. 4.
Got it?
Got it.
Now you should calculate it.
That one is.
Huh?
The husband is 9.
Huh?
Husband.
Husband 9, yes. Done? So that is 27.
Mashallah.
Got it? So this was the only case where Zayd ibn Sabit radiallahu ta'ala gave his fatwa like this. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين.